Hey, welcome back to Lane Chop Builds. How's everyone doing today? This is going to be a little What Up by Wednesday, and then a little getting ready for the 48 hour this weekend. So we'll show like my workbench, and I'm gonna clean it up, and then we're gonna do the cover some kits I picked up recently, and then we'll look at the bench and stuff too. So with that, let's get to it. All right, as you can see, my bench is a little bit of a mess right now. We'll be cleaning that up to have it ready to go. First kit I picked up on eBay, we'll say, is the 135th F350. Pretty good deal on it. Compared to what some of the list prices are on or what people asking. It's complete. It's all there, sealed pretty much. The instruction booklet looks pretty nice. It kind of shows what you're doing, how step by step. You know, Pretty detailed, I guess. And this may be taken to a show and traded or sold. I don't know. But I do have the 6x6 Cougar in 135th, so I thought about trying to find like a service bed or a military bed to put on it, and making this like a military vehicle inspired or whatever to go along with the Cougar when I get to it. Shut my door. I'm gonna put my microphone closer because I feel like I was far away from it. Put that back up on the shelf. I think you guys have heard me talk about the Bid FTA auctions stuff I picked up on there. Well, I picked up this. It's complete, sealed for $1, y'all. $1 for a kit. And I had an open decal in, open stickers, open decals, missing the window masks in one, then a full set. So that's kind of cool. The body looks, never been opened. Glass, nice. Nothing. Everything's sealed other than one sticker bag, one decal bag, and the window masks. So I don't know what happened. Maybe they bought it, sent it back, and I don't know. Who knows? Maybe it had two in it. But we got that. This may be for the the 24-hour build this coming year. I don't know. But I keep an eye on it. It's $1. They $1.53 after tax and shipping fee and all that kind of stuff. You got minimum of a quarter or anything for their shipping cost to get it. So pretty cool. And that's really about all I've bought lately. I think I showed the last haul from Sparky's with the Talladega, the Fast and Furious Camaro, and the Stealth. Yeah, I did. So I'm starting to get a couple of Tamiya kits here and there, so that's kind of fun. And as a reminder, let me pull this out. I'm building this for the 48 hour this weekend. So I'm gonna clean my workbench off because I won't be working on anything else this weekend. And I'll put all the Chevelle chassis here, or with the Olds body, clean that up, and Set that aside. Just make it all work ready. That way when tomorrow night, Friday night I mean, I might be able to work a little bit because I got to work Saturday. And so it'll be maybe 1:30, 2 o'clock Saturday before I get a good start. So we'll see. I'll try and do a video at 8 o'clock tomorrow, Friday night, a quick post, just so I hadn't started yet. So I'll be on the 8 o'clock time like everyone else, minus an 8-hour work day or whatever, unless they cancel. So with that, we're going to work on getting the workbench cleaned up here and ready to go for the 48 hour. With that, happy modeling. We'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Oh man, there's about a wreck right there.
Really?
Yeah.